Today we're doing problem 3635, earliest finish time for land and water rights 2. Basically we got some land rights which we can start at this time or later, and it will take this time, or we have water rights which start at these times and they take these times, and we should take exactly one of each. And if we start land right, then we have to finish, and only then we can start this, right? So earliest possible time which we can finish both rights. So basically what we can do is just so what we can do is simply how would I say this? So we try each like this, and then how we want to find like the closest water start time, and then like and from like all the ones that start later, we want the one that finishes at the least time. So how can we do this fast? Because of course we don't want n squared. So let's say that, because if we would somehow sort, like if we add the land start time to land duration to get like a land, and we would just sort them, that means that we finish at this time, and those times will be non-decreasing. So if we move pointer there, we could have another pointer which would move through water, and at each like land like end, which would be land start plus land duration, we would have position in water which would say that from water till the end everything we can start. Now which one to pick from that? Well, we want one that finishes at the soonest time, so we create also water will be water start plus water duration, and then we want to we don't sort it, but we do suffix minimum over that water array, and that's solved. That's it, because then answer is just prefix minimum, and then we move one land pointer, and then we potentially update water pointer, and that's it. So land is land start time. Let's do land start water start time plus land duration I for I in range. Right, so we sort land, and then we construct like suffix which will be like, we want minimum, what can be the times, like 10 to 5. So let's do like let's construct like infinity, right? So for I in range, or we could do like water start time I plus water duration I, and then suff I min suff I and suff I plus 1. So we constructed that, and then we have ij00 while I is n and j is m. Then we do while jm and water start time j is smaller than land I j plus equals 1, if j and we break, otherwise I guess we only need this. And then we need some sort of answer which will be that, and then we do like no, this is at the end of the cycle. So now we got this one, and then we just take ans min ans suf j like this, suf I plus 1. How is that possible? Because we are doing m now. I guess so. Return min solve length start. Yeah, we just have to try both options. Water start time, water duration, length start time, length duration, and then we do def solve self. I guess I can just copy this, who cares. Oh no, I cannot copy it. Okay, and then water start time, water duration, def solve self. So these, and then I just copy these parameters. Because basically we want to try starting length duration. I'll just copy this. That is weird. I think I know what is the problem. We have to consider one thing, because not only because we can start the ones that end, but then we just pick the one that takes the least. So prefix is water duration I for I in range. Pref I, pref min, pref I minus 1, and then we do like pref j if j minus 1 if j over else inf. Not sure why that doesn't work. Sub j if jn else inf like this. Jm like that. 1. Blend I plus prefix. Yeah, okay. What the hell? What? That's crazy, dude. So these are start times, end times, and they say that at 65 it's earliest possible. Print ij, ref j. How come? Like, you are pretending that when I use first water, which finishes at 57, that is ridiculous, bro. Nah, I don't believe that. Print length, print ref, print suf. I don't believe that, brother, one bit. Because I'm not sorting it. Okay, so here is trick we are gonna use. List range, len water duration. Indices sort key lambda x, and we return water start time x, and then we do new water start time, new water duration is index for index in indices, water duration, index for index in indices, and then we do like water What do you mean by that? 41. I mean, you know what? I should do it here actually. Oof, that's tough. That doesn't work at all, bruv. I mean, how come? And that's still 59, so Kind of stuck here and I should go eat dinner. But I'm not sure. I think I have to think. I mean, I'm not sure, first of all, why this one doesn't work. Like here I can imagine, because if I finish at 57, because okay, let's say I remove this part of the code. So we print length is looking like this. Really? Water duration. Why is it that, to be honest? Because should be like, that's a little sus. I mean, what is happening here, bro? Okay. At least I figured this out before going to LLM immediately. Oh my days. Whoa! How ineffective do I have to be for this to happen? Finish is... So you take earliest time to finish this, and then finish 2 is minimum of finish 2 and max plus that duration. And I'm really curious, why is that? Because this is O1. Earliest start time. Max of finish 1 start 2. Okay. Whatever. I mean, I guess I should rewrite it now, but that's also just like finish 1 is in for I in range and then length start time I plus length duration I. And then it's like max of finish 1 water start time I plus water duration I. Okay, that's way faster. I guess I should write best editorial, so plus best second right, or this should be like soonest time or space O1 intuition. We try picking each blend right and find soonest ending water right. Then we have to do the same in reverse order, so we will describe just the first option. Okay, so when taking a water right where finish 1 is equal to first line right. Length duration, length start time, length duration, then total finish time, finish 2 is max of finish 2, then we will either have to wait until finish 1 comes for some water rights, and then it will take extra water duration J, or we can immediately take the right, which takes max finish 1 water start time J plus water duration J. Which takes whatever. Want the minimum finish 1, so we simply first find the minimum finish 1 and then go over all second all water rights. Since we twice iterate, first iterate over all possible slide 1 and then over all possible slide 2 to get since we are only calculating finish 1, whatever, docsheet explanation, docsheet video. I'm going eating and sleeping, so goodbye.